Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to discuss how to use G Suite Google Drive and to create a folder to store the files in that so that it can be further used or kept on server. So let's see how to use it. This is very simple way. We just open the Google and then we have to sign in with our G Suite ID which we have got from school. So I am signing it with my ID. You can see here my ID is there, Vinay Kumar Srivastava at bhagwanpur.sunbeamschools.com. Okay, so I clicked on and then click on the next to sign in. It will ask for the password. I am giving the password. Now click on the next and then you will be logged into your G Suite ID. You can see here details are coming, means I have been logged in with G Suite ID. Now you can see here options are there like a Gmail, images, then we have a Google Apps. So we have to go for a Google Apps to use the drive. Google is giving you so many apps. You can see here account, search, map, news, place, YouTube, means so many apps you have here. You can see the Meet also is there, means all the apps that you can use by your G Suite accounts are displayed here. Okay, we have to talk today about the Drive app. So I am just clicking on a Drive app because Drive stores your data permanently on the server. So I click on a Drive and you can see my drive is on the screen. Whatever folders, files I have created, I have shared with the classes, that is coming here. You can see here quick access is also coming. Along with that we have a folders also. You can see here folders, classroom, half yearly practical, means whatever folders are created, that folders will be displayed, and then the files also, whatever files you have shared, they also displayed one by one. Okay, so what we wanted, if you want to create a folder for your class, then one option is there. You can go for a new. You can see here left side just below the drive written, you can see a plus over there mentioned here new. You click on a new and then so many options you get. What you have to create right now, you have to create a folder. You can just click on a folder here, a folder can be created. Or the similar way, you can just go to the empty space and right click over there, then also you get option for new folder, you can create it. So I click on a new folder option and then it will ask you the new folder. Suppose I am creating a folder for class 9, so I write here class 9. Okay, if you want to mention session also, you can write the session also, 2021 22 or 2021 20 and 21, whatever you have to write, you can write a session as well. So create. So you can see a new folder with class 9 is created. You can see here it is selected by default. And if you want to move any file in this folder, just you click the folder, double click on that, open it, and again you can see here drop files here or use the new button. So both the options you have, either you can drop a file here to store or you can just click on a new, and then you have the option for file upload. You can just click on the file upload and you can upload the file. So I'm just clicking it, file upload, and now any file that you wanted to upload it, you can just choose it from anywhere. You can go for this PC, D drive, C drive, anywhere the file is there, you can upload. I'm selecting a file from a desktop. Suppose this is a PDF file I want to share there, I want to save it. So click and then open, and you can see this file is being uploaded. You can see one file upload complete, and you can see this is upload complete. Now file is uploaded here. So this is a way that we can simply upload a file in the folder which we have made in the G Suite drive. Click on a back, we are back again, and you can see our class 9 folder has one file. we wanted one more folder to be created in class 9th. Just again right click over there and you can create one more folder with the name like a science, maths, social, whatever subject you wanted. Suppose I want to create for English, so you click on this one, create a folder, then English. Now one folder is there named English. Likewise you can create a for maths, social, means all subject folder you can create, and you can store the files in that, their assessment in that. That is the simpler way that you can do. So you can create multiple folders inside a folder, as well as you can create the files also. Okay, so I hope this is clear, how to create a folder and how to create a file. Clicking on a back. Now suppose if I want to share this folder to any of the student, then simply select the folder, right click over there, and then you get the option for share. So you click on a share, and now it is opening share with people and groups. You can add the email IDs to whom you have to share this folder, or if you are actually opening it for all of them to access, so you can see option here in get link, change link to Bhagwanpur Sunbeam. Right now it is restricted, only people added can open this link, means the one whom ID is added. If I click over there, you can see the ID is there, any of the ID we can add it. So it can be done like this also. Otherwise you can change link, you can click over there. Now you have the option Bhagwanpur Sunbeam, means it can be opened only with the G Suite ID, or you can open for anyone with this link. So three options are there, you can choose any of the options that you feel. Restricted means added people, Bhagwanpur Sunbeam means only with the G Suite ID, and anyone means any ID, it can be opened. Okay, suppose I am choosing Bhagwanpur Sunbeam, then the option is there where you can choose how actually they can access. They are the viewer, they are the commenter, or they can edit also. So you can see this option also. If you wanted that they can edit, you can click on the edit option. Otherwise you can just leave it as a viewer option. The stick is there for that. Okay, and then you can copy this link. You can see option here, copy link. You can just copy this link, copy, link is copied. You can click on a done, and then this link can be shared on WhatsApp, can be opened separately also in the other window. Okay, so this is very simple. Suppose I want to open this link in other window, I just click on a next new tab and pasted this link. You can see here, pasted, enter, and you can see directly the drive is accessed to me. You can see English folder and the files are there. Okay, so this is a very simple way to create it. Click on done. Now this folder is ready to be accessed by any other people also, where I can share the link. The link which I have already copied, that can be shared on WhatsApp. You can send it to their email ID. In any of the ways you can share this folder with the students. I hope this is clear to everyone. There is no doubt left in this. Other folders are also there which are already there. So you don't touch the folder, because these folders have been created by your classroom app. So you can see everything, whatever you have created is already there in the drive, and this drive giving you a lot of space, so there is no problem of space in this drive. So thank you everyone. Jai Hind.